this laser treatment to get rid of underarm unwanted hair permanently. The procedure is very simple and small too, and also it is very painless and comfortable procedure. So first they do is that they remove the hair, and after removing and cleaning the part, then they apply this moisture gel which acts like a moisturizer. You can see how they are doing. जब वो जेल लगाते हैं ना बहुत कूल फीलिंग रहती है. So this is the machine which is used for this laser treatment, and here what she do is that she sets the frequency according to you. मतलब आप कितना फ्रीक्वेंसी पैर कर सकते हैं, सो उसके हिसाब से वो सेट करती है फ्रीक्वेंसी. So this is that gun from where the laser will be shoot directly to the hair follicles and which prevents the hair from growing. So जब वो शूट करती है तो यू फील लाइक वेरी टिंगल सेंसेशंस. जैसे वैक्सिंग करने के टाइम हमें जितना पेन होता है ना उससे बहुत कम पेन होता है. लाइक यू कांट से पेन एक्चुअली, जस्ट माई टिंगल सेंसेशन. जैसे हमें एंड जब बाइट करते हैं जैसे फील होता है वैसे फीलिंग रहती है, अदरवाइज नथिंग. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस ट्रीटमेंट she will clean the area and then she will apply this moisturizer. एंड येस दिस इज़ माई थर्ड सेशन. और मुझे सेकेंड सेशन में बहुत डिफरेंस मिला था और मेरा ग्रोथ भी बहुत कम हुआ लाइक आने का. एंड लाइक आई विल प्रिफर लाइक द पर्सन हु इज़ डूइंग द रेजर रिमूविंग द हैंड मंथली ट्वाइस और थ्राइस. नो, फॉर दोज पर्सन आई विल प्रिफर रेदर गो फॉर दिस लेजर ट्रीटमेंट. दे विल बी हाईली बेनिफिशियल विद दिस. सो तो रेजर्स यूज़ करते हैं ना उससे क्या होता है कि ब्लेड लगने की चांसेस है, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी आफ्टर रिमूविंग यू विल गेट बर्म्स विच एंड ऑल्सो द अंडरआर्म्स गेट डार्कन्स. So using that razor, so which doesn't look good when you wear a sleeveless and all. Even you will get that redness and even a pain. So I think if you do a razor treatment, no, you won't find anything of this. Even the bumps will be not there. Even I don't darkness also. So yes, it's a very good treatment over all these things. Even the people who are having a darker underarms, so even this is a nice where she told me that if you do a razor treatment that underarms will get lightened up. At least 6 sessions you have to take to get rid of the hair and permanently get rid of the hair. 6 सेशंस लाइक डिपेंड ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन ऑल्सो. जिसको बहुत वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होता है लाइक इट कैन गो बियॉन्ड 6 ऑल्सो sessions. So but you have to complete the sessions according to you, and the thing is minimum 6 session रहता है. So maximum it can go depends on person to person. And the thing is that first after doing the first session there is a gap between of 1 month, so 30 days. So after 30 days there will be the second sessions. So according the sessions has been booked. And yes, and the treatment is very painless, comfortable, and she will guide you with the treatment. She will explain you the procedure before doing the treatment, and wherein like you should not go in the hot weather. Actually what happens is that underarms should not get sweaten up so after doing the treatment. So this is the only point. And also the moisturizer or the sunscreen is important. You should apply the such things after doing the treatment, and usually also. And yes, a person who is staying in Ponda or looking any dermatologist nearby, so I have done this laser treatment with in Amofet clinic with Dr. Nabila Sheikh. She is one of the good dermatologist and very experienced one. So she had nicely explained me the procedure. She guided me with the treatment first, and even she tells what will be the precautions you have to take after doing the treatment. And yes, even there if you have any hair fall problems or the skin problems, there are many or treatments related to face or the brightening the skin by in the glutathione. So she will according to you whatever treatment you want to do, she will guide you. She is the very nice doctor, dermatologist, wherein she for consulting and all. So okay, in short, I will be mentioning the location of the clinic in the description, so you can visit if you all want to. And yes, for me, I'm happy with the treatment and give me a very good result. Please have a nice day. Thank you.